Ndewo, hello and welcome to Usoro Asusu, a channel dedicated to helping you learn Igbo language. We share weekly tutorials with tips and relevant resources to help you speak, read, write and understand standard Igbo. In today's video, you're going to learn 5 everyday Igbo vocabulary, and at the end, you'll be presented with a quiz to practice what you've learned. If you're interested in today's topic, anyị bido? Elekere, elekere, elekere.
Clock, clock.
Ọnwa, ọnwa, ọnwa.
Month, month.
Ụbọchị, ụbọchị, ụbọchị.
Day, day.
Oge, oge, oge.
Time, time.
Olumba, olumba, olumba.
Dialect, dialect. Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
Quiz time. The 5 Igbo vocabulary words you learned today will be presented on screen. You have 3 seconds to respond with the correct name for the Igbo vocabulary word. Let's go. Ụbọchị, ụbọchị.
Day, day.
Olumba, olumba.
Dialect, dialect.
Oge, oge.
Time, time.
Elekere, elekere.
Clock, clock.
Ọnwa, ọnwa.
Month.
We hope you enjoyed this video. We would like to keep bringing you more content such as this to help you towards your journey of learning Igbo language. If you enjoyed this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let us know how you are progressing along your journey of learning Igbo language. If you would like us to notify you when we put out a new video, hit subscribe and turn on your notification button. Daalụ, anyị ga-ahụ gị n'oge na-adịghị anya.